Hello family, welcome back once again. Today we are going to be making delicious chicken lice soup, which can go very well with your fufu or even banku. You can also have this soup with white rice. It all depends on you. So without further ado, let's get started. So here I have my chicken which I'm using for this recipe. I'm using a hard chicken. I've already washed it very well, and I just seasoning with salt. I'm just adding a tablespoon of salt and then seasoning stock cube. And here I have is a blended red chili which I'm adding to it because I want this chicken to be well marinated with the pepper. And so I'm adding, here is blended ginger, garlic, black pepper, and I just added 2 spoons of that. And here I have is chopped onions, and then I'm just going to be mixing all together and make sure the chicken is well marinated. And then I'm just going to add some selling of grain, and then I'm going to cover this and allow it to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. So this has been cooking for 15 minutes now, and here I'm just going to be adding my blended fresh tomatoes. So I boil these tomatoes before blending it, and then I'll cover this and allow it to cook for additional 5 minutes. And now I'm going to give it a stir. Make sure you mix all together very well. And the aroma in this kitchen is super amazing with all of those ingredients. Everything is so nice. I cover it and let it cook for additional 2 minutes. And then at this point, I'll be adding in my boiled water. So you add water according to the thickness of the soup, the way you prefer it. I want this soup to be a little bit light, so I added more water. And now I'll stir it. And then I'm going to let this soup cook for about 5 minutes. And now I'm just going to be adding in the rest of my ingredients. So I'm just adding some garden eggs or eggplants. And then I will allow it to cook a little bit more, maybe 2 more minutes before going ahead to add in the rest of the ingredients. So I'm just stirring and make sure the garden eggs is well covered with the soup. And after cooking for 2 minutes at this point, I'm going to be adding in some fresh pepper just for the aroma, and then also adding in the rest of my blended ginger, garlic, and the black pepper. I like to add this to the end of the soup when the soup is almost ready because it gives another nice aroma to the soup, and it makes the soup to taste very delicious. So I just went ahead and added in the blended ingredients, and I just add in my fresh pepper and then some basil leaves. And at this point, I'll just leave the soup to cook for additional 2 minutes, and that is all. So what I did now is I just test the soup to see if there is need to add salt. So I just went ahead and add just about a half tablespoon of salt. And then I'm giving it a stir. And just look at that. This soup looks so beautiful, and the aroma just so wonderful in this kitchen. And that's it. The soup is ready to be served. So here I just had mine with some nice fufu, and I said before you can have this with some banku. Just add some okra to it and you are good to go. And you can also have it with white rice, if it's fufu, anything that you prefer. And you can also have the soup just like that. You can enjoy it. So I hope you guys like this video. Please do not forget to subscribe, share, comment. And I want to thank you all for supporting this channel. I thank every one of you that has been supporting me, and every subscriber. I appreciate all of you. Please go ahead and like this video. If today is the first time of clicking to this channel, you are highly welcome. Please do not forget to hit the red button, and don't forget to put on the bell notification. That way you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. See you.